How to fix Instagram 60-second story. If you don't have this feature and you want to get it, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, there is actually three ways to fix this problem. The first way is you have to update your Instagram. If you want to know how to update it, it's very easy. First thing, open the Play Store, search for Instagram and click on this update option. That's the first way. The second way is you have to open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, open the apps, click on the Instagram app, and then click on force stop, and then click on storage, click on clear data, clear cache. And the third way and the last one is you have to uninstall your Instagram and reinstall it again. Very easy and simple as you can see. Now, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.